Hey there, are you tired of expensive video production? Imagine creating Hollywood-quality videos in just minutes without hiring a film crew. In 2026, AI video generation has become so advanced that anyone, yes, anyone, can be a content creator. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 AI video tools that are absolutely game-changing. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or entrepreneur, one of these tools will transform your content strategy. Let's dive in. Number 1. Google Veo. This isn't your average video generator. Google Veo creates stunning, photorealistic videos from simple text prompts. Imagine describing a scene and watching it come to life in seconds. Google Veo excels at generating cinematic videos with incredible detail and natural motion. Key features: creates videos up to 1080p quality with realistic physics and lighting. It's perfect for ads, YouTube intros, and storytelling content, processing complex, detailed prompts beautifully. Price: currently in beta with limited access, but expect premium pricing when fully released. Perfect for creators who want next-level production quality without the film crew costs. Number 2. Runway Gen 3 Alpha and Gen 4. Runway is the Swiss Army knife of AI video creation. Gen 4 is their newest model, and it's absolutely insane. You can upload images, sketches, or existing footage, and Runway will extend, enhance, or completely transform them. Why Americans love Runway? Super intuitive interface, no technical skills needed. It works with your existing photos and videos, offering magic editing tools that feel like science fiction. Affordable subscription plans starting at just $12 per month. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Whether you're creating product demos, music videos, or social media content, Runway delivers consistency and creativity. Number 3. OpenAI Sora. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, released Sora, a video generation model that's genuinely revolutionary. Sora can create videos up to 1 minute long from text descriptions alone. What makes Sora different? Generates highly realistic, complex scenes. It understands spatial relationships and camera movements, maintaining character consistency throughout videos. Sora creates both realistic and stylized content, perfect for creative storytelling and professional marketing. Early adopters in the US are already using Sora for commercials, music videos, and educational content. The accuracy and realism are almost indistinguishable from real-world footage. As it becomes more widely available, expect to see Sora everywhere. Number 4. Synthesia. Here's where AI gets personal. Synthesia specializes in creating videos with AI narrators, realistic-looking presenters who can speak any language. Imagine having a personal video spokesperson, but it's AI. Perfect use cases in America: corporate training videos, marketing presentations, and YouTube educational content. Also great for sales videos and explainer content, and personalized customer messages at scale. The best part? You can customize narrators to match your brand, choose from 140+ languages, and generate professional videos in hours instead of days. Businesses love Synthesia because it scales content production while maintaining a human touch. Number 5. HeyGen. Similar to Synthesia, but with its own unique flavor. HeyGen creates AI video presenters with natural gestures, facial expressions, and movements. You simply write your script, pick a narrator, and HeyGen handles the rest. Why HeyGen stands out: ultra-realistic narrator movements and instant video generation. It offers affordable plans for creators and small businesses, perfect for YouTube tutorials, marketing, and customer support. HeyGen supports multiple languages and accents. Many US content creators are replacing expensive voiceover artists and camera crew with HeyGen. The ROI is incredible. So there you have it, the top 5 AI video generation tools that are transforming content creation in 2026. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. And remember, the future of video is AI, and that future is now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech content. See you in the next one.